In the face of complex scenarios, challenging conditions, when conventional transmission approaches turn into constraints, we chose to refactor the possibilities. Near Field Data Synchronization System, Gemini C100, delivering greater flexibility for field data transfer. In drone search missions, multiple operational challenges emerge. Pilots cannot simultaneously maintain flight control and conduct image analysis. The limited remote controller screen fails to support multi-operator viewing, causing operational interference and efficiency degradation, and compromised search progress. The 100 integrates a high-definition video transmission system, breaking through traditional range limitations. It adopts the ad hoc network communication method to perform point-to-point image transmission, enable real-time aerial video transmission, stable signal, global perspective, precision detection, accurate target locking in search and rescue missions, maximizing every frame's value through technology, making every flight mission critical. At the scene of fire rescue, 14-inch ultra-clear screen show every detail of the fire, from in-depth fire exploration to precise deployment of command and dispatch. C100 makes every link more efficient. Unlimited range, seamless decisions,